Hola estudiantes. Okay, we're ready to continue on now. You should have a good feel for the Encore site and how it works. And now be ready to move through with more of kind of an introductory unit to get you more oriented to the course itself. So before we start, Capítulo 1, or the first chapter of Arriba, you need to go through this entire module. This will help you get used to the way each of the modules are going to be set up. So first of all, you need to always go here to the objectives. Don't skip the video. There will be times that I give some more information maybe about assignments or due dates. And if I am realizing that a bunch of you are skipping the video, there may be times that I offer an extra credit opportunity, and you won't know about it unless you have watched the video. So start here, okay? Because I'm a talking head. That's what I look like to you, but you can get a feel for me and more of a feel for what's coming up by watching the videos. And then go through each section of the module one by one. Okay, so with this one, if you haven't taken the syllabus quiz yet, make sure you've carefully read the syllabus and take that. You need to make your first composition post. So you will go to the forum, to the compositions, and post a little bit about yourself there in Spanish. I realize some of you have never had Spanish before, that you are just starting out. But for this first composition, all you really have to do is fill in the blanks. If you go to the composition part of the module, it tells you right there what you have to say, and you just fill in the little blanks, write it exactly like it says. You want to make sure that you have registered for my Spanish lab and go through and do all the tutorial videos. This helps you to make sure you are set up and ready to go when you have the actual homework, starting with Capítulo 1. And it does record whether you have opened the videos and looked at them. So I know it will count it as homework. So to do that, you register for my Spanish lab, use our course code to get into our course itself, and then make sure you click on the clock with the due date will be September 3rd. This module is only 1 week because it's not an actual chapter. So, and then if you haven't done so already, make sure you send me your hola email to show me that you can find my email. So those are the things that need to be submitted by September 3rd. Other things you need to do or are a very good idea to do, they're a part of the modules. Read through and learn what we will be doing, why we'll be watching films. You do need to listen to the Michel Thomas disc 1. There will be recording quizzes on Michel Thomas, not with this first unit, but they will be coming up. So you want to make sure you do that. Read tips from other students about learning Spanish online. Read through any announcements that have been posted. Touch base with our course assistant and with our SI so that you can indicate your availability to make sure you can attend sessions with them. Remember, the conversation hours with our course assistant, Sarah, are worth 5% of your course grade. They're very easy to get. All you have to do is attend conversation hours. SI is 40% of your participation grade. And what I require is that you either attend SI once per chapter, so once every 2 weeks, or that you do the module for SI and take the quiz. Okay, so you would be working with our SI Lindsay on that. So make sure you just get all these things done. Again, as I will reiterate over and over through the semester, if you have questions, if they are of a general nature, please post them in the general discussion forum. Because even if I am not available right away to answer them, other students may be able to answer them for you, and I welcome that and encourage that. If you have questions or issues that are of a more personal nature, send me an email. You all know how to do that now, right? You've all had to do that for your OLA. So that's it. Let's get going with the introduction module. Let's get ourselves up to speed so that next week we can take off with Capítulo 1.